Donald Trump has a battle ahead of him if he wants to see his Liberation Day tariffs stick around for the long run. A U.S. federal appeals court has ruled that Congress did not give the U.S. president wide-ranging authority to impose tariffs when it passed the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. It was a divided decision Friday, but a decision nonetheless. With 4 dissents and 7 votes against Trump, the court upheld a lower court ruling against the tariffs, undercutting the U.S. president's use of them as a key policy tool.
China's an abuser.
Trump has made tariffs a pillar of U.S. foreign policy in his second term, using them to exert political pressure and renegotiate trade deals with countries that export goods to the U.S.
Every country will be reciprocal.
In response to the decision, the president, in his usual fashion, took to his Truth Social account. In a statement, he called the bench a highly partisan appeals court, said the group of judges incorrectly said tariffs should be removed, and stated how it would be a disaster if the tariffs ever went away. He also said that the tariffs are still in effect, but that's not because of his doing. The appeals court ruled that the levies may remain in place until October 14th as a way to give his administration a chance to file an appeal with the Supreme Court.
If he goes to the Supreme Court, we will be absolutely ready, and we are confident that the Supreme Court will hear our arguments and take them in good measure.
Lawyers who led the charge against the tariffs say the court's ruling is a win for the American Constitution.
But I think what the court today said is, look, if the president thinks these tariffs are so important, and today I guess he said they're going to destroy the country if you don't have the tariffs, then make that case to Congress. That's what every president has done before him.
Now, that Truth Social post is really the only word we've heard from Trump at this time regarding the court's ruling. Members of his administration, however, are being a bit more vocal. In a statement submitted to the court on Friday, Trump's Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent warned that suspending the administration's tariffs would, quote, lead to dangerous diplomatic embarrassment. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, meantime, says the decision will cause, quote, irreparable harm to the U.S. and risk unwinding trade deals that Trump has already announced. For City News, I'm Karling Donoghue.